Hey now, JR here with Market Street Ace Hardware and Lincoln Creek Lumber. We're here today to talk about the Blackstone 28-inch cooking station. The Blackstone 2-burner cooking station features a 448 square inch cooking surface that throws out 34,000 BTUs of heat. This flat top will fit 18 hamburgers, 22 steaks, 44 dogs, and much more. This model has 2 adjustable heat controls with a built-in igniter. No matches or extra lighters needed. Excess grease is under control with this external container for grease management. Comes with 1 side shelf and a bottom tray to easily store food and hold accessories while you're cooking. This flat top cooking station is great for parties, events, holidays, or just cooking with the fam. Whether you're cooking for 2 or 200, Blackstone's got you covered. Now let's go get some breakfast. The Blackstone 28-inch cooking station can be found at the Market Street Ace Hardware, Lincoln Creek Lumber, or any participating Aces near you. Delicious.